it's Brooke from the Vintage Gardener. Welcome back to my channel. So it's not time for another fun-filled episode of the Winter Sewing Grow Along. So let me show you what I'm actually starting this today. I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 different ones. So this shouldn't be too bad. Guys, here's my winter sewing island. As you can see, I've been hard at work. That's why it's loaded with dirt. But oh well, enough of that. Okay, so the first one is the Candy Floss Peony Poppies. I got this from Swallowtail. It came late, which is why I didn't do it with the other one. So this one is a lilac colored peony poppy. So I think this is going to be beautiful. I can't wait to put this in there. And then this is a anemone. This is a Japanese anemone, and so they are perennial here. So I'm going to go ahead and winter sow this. This is going to be a nice red color. Japanese anemones bloom in the fall here, so this will be some nice fall color. Then I have Penstemon. Now I know on this packet it says an annual, but it says USDA zone 7 through 9. Okay, so the Penstemon is a perennial. Now, last year I bought 6. It was like cherry sparks. They did not survive. Oh, actually, I think 2 of them did. I put them in the promenade garden. I know I've mentioned in prior videos that I was realizing as I was digging around the promenade garden how, in some cases, sandy the soil is. And I just think that, especially considering the fact that we had such a really hot summer, I think that that was too much for the Penstemon. I think because it says that it thrives in poor soils and it requires relatively good drainage, so it should have been there because it does drain. But I think probably with the temperatures that we do have, and the fact that it's not like one of those things where I had put it where it had gotten its roots established, I think that was just too much for most of them. So I think that's why that one didn't survive. So on to the next seeds. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to start is Heirloom Miniature Roses Angel Wings. I saw this at Renee's Garden, and when I was reading the back of the packet, let me see if I can focus y'all. So it's a European bred. It's pink, white, and soft rose, and they mature at 1.5 to 2 feet tall. And I think it was what I saw on somewhere on the seed packet. I was like, okay, actually that might be a good one to do. So first off, it takes 4 to 6 weeks to germinate. You plant in February to April, so that's good for right now. So you can start. It's very frost hardy. That's the thing. It's very frost hardy. So as soon as I see things like that, I'm like, winter sowing. So I am going to go ahead and put these out to get some cold treatment because I felt the seeds. They are kind of hard. And so I'm looking forward to seeing how this one shapes up. I do not believe this one has a scent. So let's just keep that in mind. Okay, so then I'm doing some Japanese white dandelion. Hang on, let me focus here. And so I did the pink dandelion last year. It did not flower its first year, but this one is white. I think this will make a wonderful addition to the garden. This one is not supposed to be as vigorous as like the typical one we have in our yard. Also, as with any dandelion, they are edible. So, but I'm not growing them as an edible. So there's that. And last but not least, I'm going to be doing some Canterbury Bells. These are perennials. So the first one's called Mixed Colors and the other one is called Storybook Blend, but they kind of look the same. So I tried doing these or late winter sowing in March in 2020. They started sprouting, but then the greenhouse flipped over, which is I feel like is the story of my life. And so that didn't work too well. So I'm going to do 10 of these. And then with this one, I don't have that many seeds. So let's see, I think it's like 15 seeds. So I think I'll do 5 cups of these, put 3 seeds in each cup. And then with these, I don't even know how many is in here. I may do 3 cups of these. It'll depend. I do have another packet if it's really not that many seeds. And then with the Penstemon, I have 15 seeds, so I'll do 5 containers, 3 of each. And now this one, I've got like 500 seeds, which kind of scares me because it makes me think the germination rate may be low on this. Well, it says 2 seeds per plant, which is not too bad. So I will do 10 cups of this to start out, and we'll see how this goes. And of course, with the candy floss, there are, let's see, 100 seeds. I'm probably going to do 20 of these bad boys because you know I love me some poppies. So I will get started. So I'll see you guys after I completed everything. Okay, guys, so yeah, my stairs are filled right now. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking these out because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So yeah, so it's 11 stairs filled, and there's at least 10. Some of them have more. So let's see. The trays have, black trays have 15, so it's 15, 25, 40, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105, 115, 120, I think. Okay, so that's 120 containers right there. So where I typically put them is out there, but of course that's got snow on it. So I'm thinking what I might do is I might line them up over here for a little bit until the snow melts for me to get out there. I guess I could put on my snow boots and just like climb out there. There are winter sowing containers like those. There's a couple of lumps. Let's see if I can get closer without stepping down there. Like there's a lump. Let's see if I can put like where my finger is. That's some of them over there. Yeah. Can't really see it, but that's okay. So I think I'm just gonna put them right here in this area for right now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'll come back when I'm done. And there's the little pooch. She was like, "How dare you leave me inside?" I'm not leaving, Bumper Snoot. I'm not leaving. I was just coming outside to check something. I have not abandoned you. You are my one and only, my only love, okay? Okay, guys, here we go. This is this is winter sewing for the last 2 days. So that's all the foxglove, the Campanula, the Japanese white dandelion, the candy floss. Yeah, so I am very proud of myself. So once this melts, I'll put it out here. But that's it. So right now I'm taking the little pooch for a walk. And catch up with you guys later.